So using our prior construction of midpoints, now let's try to create the medians of a triangle. And so the first thing I'm going to do is construct the line segment BF. So I'm going to use my segment tool and connect point B to point F. Remember, the median connects a midpoint to its opposite vertex. And so let's do the same thing. We'll do AE, construct that line segment as well. And so let's construct the point where the two segments intersect by selecting both segments with my arrow tool. So AE is already selected. I'm going to also select BF. I'll go to the construct menu and choose intersection. So now we have the intersection point. Let's also construct line segment CD. If you notice, CD also goes through that same intersection point. And the point where the medians of the triangle intersect is called the centroid of the triangle. You might call it that. So let's go ahead and label it as centroid. Now, one thing to take note of here is that you can't construct the intersection of all three segments simultaneously. Two of the medians are sufficient to find the centroid. And so even if you tried to construct a point there using the point tool, you'll notice that, I'm going to delete my centroid for a minute here. If I try to construct using my point tool, you'll see that only two of them appear at one time. I can never get all three of them to appear.